That ain't good. Electrical conduit. That was in the yard somewhere. Whoops. Got a delivery today. Ray's here. What's up, buddy?
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Tape my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
All right, boys. Ray made it over with the Komatsu today. I've been Snapchatting him, showing him the progress here. And he's not impressed with my grading skills, so...
Baseball fields only.
Baseball fields only. I'll show you what we're working with, but like I said, it's been a little wet, so it did look better than this until we got on it. But yeah, he was not about to come over and be upset every single day that he looks at my horrible, horrible grade. So luckily he had a job in the area. I loaded up some topsoil to keep him busy. I'll be trucking him some topsoil in the backhoe. Let him do his thing. What's up? You don't think my grade is good?
No, not at all, sir.
looks like Ray's running out of topsoil, so time to fire up the old gal. What's up?
Hey, do you want more fill? You want more fill off the canopy there, or you want to valley that with topsoil?
Off the lean-to?
Yeah.
I think I need more fill there.
Okay, so I'll work the topsoil on this side. Stay away from this so you can level it off with more fill.
Yeah, I have to, right?
Yeah, you wanted the water, I remember you saying before, going across the barn this way instead of going down the yard that way, right?
In the driveway, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So yeah, you wanted some more fill there.
Yeah.
So I'll keep the topsoil over this.
In the yard's important.
Yeah.
That's really it. And if we got to fill and bring more in later, it's fine.
How's the old girl running?
Like a top. What a maneuver. Ray just putting an old telephone pole into my bucket. What a guy.
It's a little dirty. Can you see through that? That's some powerful windshield wiper fluid.
That ain't good. Electrical conduit. That was in the yard somewhere. Whoops.
should have had him bring one more.
No, he's not. We need Phil.
Oh. Watch out, ladies. Girls, you're gonna get hit. Hello. You guys like the new yard? You're a freaking mess. Oh my God. Ducks, watch out. Get him out of here. Go, out, down to the pond. Go, shoot, shoot. Get in there.
You know, it's kind of amazing when the building went up. I said, wow, it's a big building, right? Look how much room we have. Next thing you know, you're playing Jenga, fitting everything in here. Now Ray, with his eye, saw a little low spot here in front of the garage and said, we can't have that. So, of course, he's taking care of me. That's it, bro.
That's all she wrote.
You are a wizard.
Artiste.
An artiste. I can't thank you enough, buddy. All right, folks. Well, that's it. Ray loaded her up. I helped with not much. Not much, but taking instructions. Let's see here. I'll show you exactly how baseball field like Ray took us to back here. He's a wizard on this thing, and I cannot thank him enough. Ray's on to the next job. Ray, thank you very much for coming over. I think my grade was just about there. Yeah.
What you had was good.
Oh, you're so nice to me. You're so friggin' nice to me, man. But yeah, I don't know that we could have got here, man. That's beautiful. We ran out of topsoil. We're gonna need a little bit more fill down here, but that's okay because that's free and that keeps coming. We got a little valley here, but fill that up and order some more topsoil. Good thing we don't have to get married back here or anything next year.
Yeah. It would be nice if you.
Oh God.
It would be sweet.
Hey, thank you for not running over one of my ducks. Appreciate
Yeah.
that. They were all over
Every
you.
once in a while, I was like, oh, shit, another duck.
It was a white one.
Yeah. They were eating the hell out of all the grubs.
They love the worms. And
They
shit.
love
Yeah,
it.
fresh topsoil.
Yeah.
Well, what can I do? Can I fill you up with fuel? Can I?
No, I'm good.
Come on, dude.
That's it, bud.
You always do this.
I'm a superstar.
Dinner and a case of beer. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. I'm going to send Ray off. Thank you guys for watching this video. Come on back for some more if you like it. Consider subscribing to the channel. Have a good one.